Hi, Mom and Sir. I am May Lubite, 40 years old, single with one kid, 11 years old. I live in Batasan Hills, Quezon City. I graduated in college level, Bachelor of Science in Computer, major in Programming for 2 years, and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance for 3 years. My work experience are first, Hong Kong. For 2 years and 5 months, I work in a Chinese couple, 2 adult and 1 kid, 1.5 year old. They live in apartment type house with 3 bedrooms including mine and 1 toilet. Second is in Kuwait, is an Arabic family, 2 adults and 1 kid. Good for 3 years and 3 months. They live in apartment house with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet. And last one is Riyadh. I worked there for 1 year and 11 months, almost 2 years, due to early coming of the new maids. They are Arabic family with 4 adult members, and they stay in the 3-story house with 4 bedrooms and 4 toilet. My works and responsibilities, duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, especially taking care of the kids, like playing and tutoring them. My message to my soon employer: if you will choose me as your household worker, I promise I will do my best, like hardworking, treating your family as my own, and cheerful. Thank you.